Hey everyone! Today we're making a ghost picture for Halloween decorations. If you sew, you probably have some cotton batting left over. These are just scraps from my last baby quilt for a friend's newborn. They're way too small for any real project, so normally I'd save them for stuffing. But this time I thought, why not turn them into ghosts? A whole bunch of little ghosts. So here's what we do. Cut one end into a half circle for the ghost's head. Don't even worry about the bottom. It'll be covered up by other ghosts anyway. That makes the cutting super quick and easy. Once the bodies are cut, I make some tiny black fabric dots for the eyes. For the background, I'm just using black cardstock, but you could also use a canvas painted black. Then you wouldn't even need a frame. Now let's start laying the ghosts. I begin in the middle and just place them randomly. Once the first row is down, add a second row. You can glue them as you go, row by row. Keep going with the third row, fourth row, until the whole paper's filled. I like to line the bottoms of the ghosts with the bottom edge of the paper. It looks nice and neat. To stick them on, I'm using a hot glue gun. The batting is super lightweight, so just a tiny dab of glue is enough. Start from the top row, then keep working down until everything's secure. Next up, the eyes. I just dot on a little glue, then press the black circles in place. Once all the eyes are on, it's time to frame it. If you used a canvas, you can hang it right on the wall as it is. But I actually found this vintage frame at a charity shop, and I think it's just perfect for my ghost picture. For extra fun, I even let a few ghosts spill outside the frame, like they're creeping out. And that's it. Frame it up, and our cute Halloween ghost picture is done. Boom! How adorable is that? I hung mine in the hallway, and honestly, even without any other decorations, it already gives such a fun Halloween vibe. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your ghost pictures with me in the comments. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time.